Today we are reviewing the Xbox One. S, I think. Is it S? Is it S?
It's S, yeah.
Xbox One S. Okay, so we're just gonna unbox it. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty insane. So here we have our Xbox One, perfectly functioning, never been opened before. So let's just open this up.
Unless every second. Just
Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Okay, we got the first layer of tape done. Now, the second area.
one hand folding.
There we go.
One hand folding like this.
Okay.
One hand shooting.
Oh my god. We have it open. I can see inside. There's a little bit of plastic, it looks like.
Set it up right here.
This is pretty insane.
No, like right on the couch here and also this way.
Leave a like for this Xbox One
Set
S.
it up. I don't know how to.
Okay. The grand
I
opening.
know, but it's
Drum roll,
on.
please.
Turn like on the everything first.
Okay, we have the beautiful Xbox One logo immediately showing in green.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so excited.
It's gonna be white with strips on it.
Okay.
Or black.
A little bit of a. Okay, apparently the Xbox keep that. Cool. So, inside, there's a hole here now. I'm wondering what this does.
Hudson, can you please stop banging that on?
Controls out. Is this the controller? Oops, that's just the cord.
That's why I wanted you to do it on the floor. Can you please do it on the floor?
Can you please do it on the floor?
Okay. So let's continue this. Here's the plug that we dropped. And here.
Smash my Xbox.
Okay. There's nothing much else. Ooh, there is another plug.
You need a lot of plugs, Hudson.
Okay, let's put that in this important box over there. A beautiful piece of styrofoam.
Take the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm assuming we have to.
They won't let it bounce around, Hudson, so you're actually physically.
Go!
Please don't.
That's so cool. Is there anything else? Yes, there is.
Let's figure it out.
Let's open this
Those
one.
are the discs. Comes in Halo 5, which I'm gonna play with Daddy.
Okay, so this looks like it opens up from here.
And
Oh my god.
I'm the only person who's ever played an Xbox One for like more than an hour. What are you doing?
Cool.
We need that, Hudson. All of those are really important.
Let's put the box to the side here and get on with the real thing.
Okay, we don't lift it more than once.
Pull it back here. There we go. There we go. Okay, so. Oh my goodness. Is this the one? Yes, it is the one. It's the Xbox One. Oh my god.
Black
the beautiful
with the stripes.
logo.
Oh.
This is beautiful. Yeah, Kevin, that's the logo. It's called a logo, if you didn't know.
No, you don't
Look at this.
You don't even know what direction.
That's pretty cool. Wait, what way does it go? It goes...
That's the top.
Yeah, it's the top, so let's put it like this.
This is the part that
What? Oh, you broke it a bit. Yep.
if you touch it, it breaks. So, what is the logic on that?
He broke my screen a bit. Not that bad, though.